If trying to get more clients feels like a full-time job, you're doing it wrong. Most agency owners, coaches, and service providers are stuck in the same pattern. They spend hours on outreach and content and networking just to land a client. Once they do, they shift all their focus to delivery. Marketing stops, the pipeline empties, a few weeks later, they're back to chasing leads again. Income goes up one month and then crashes the next. It's this constant reset. I know that because that used to be my reality. I've built 3 separate 7-figure agencies over the past decade plus, and none of them scaled until I changed just one thing. That one thing was, I stopped treating client acquisition and delivery as 2 separate problems. Since then, I've helped over 1,000 service-based businesses rebuild their offers around a single system that brings in clients and delivers results at the same time. In this video, I'm gonna break down why your current model is holding you back, what it takes to stop the income roller coaster, and how to build one system that attracts and serves clients without burning you out. I call this system the client machine. It's a 4-part system for getting clients and keeping them. You build it once, you use it to get your own clients, and then you install the exact same thing for every client you land. That's your offer, that's your service, that's your entire business. And you're not selling marketing, you're selling systems. And the 4 parts are pretty simple. Part 1, attract, never chase again. Part 2, capture, never lose a lead. Part 3, convert, never miss a call. Part 4, multiply, never start from zero. Same system, 2 revenue streams, 1 machine. And I don't mean that in some abstract way. You literally build these 4 things. You then use them to land clients. Then you turn around and install the exact same automations, the exact same workflows for the clients that you just landed. You're not selling them something that you don't use yourself. You're showing them what's already working for you and then offering to do the same thing for them. Now, if you want passive income without talking to real businesses, this isn't it. This is for people who want leverage, not lottery tickets. But here's why this matters right now. AI just changed everything. Voice AI can answer phones 24/7. Automations can respond to leads in seconds. You can offer what agencies used to charge $5,000 or $10,000 for at a fraction of that cost. But most businesses have no idea this exists. They're still answering their own phones, still responding to leads the next day, or not at all. Still losing customers to whoever gets there first. And no, this isn't some janky, sketchy robot voice that makes people hang up. This is actual conversational AI that qualifies leads, answers questions, and books appointments. It works, and I use it every day. In 12 to 24 months, everyone's going to be doing this. But right now, this is your edge. So let me show you what the whole system looks like piece by piece. Part 1 is attract. The goal here isn't to get more followers or more likes, it's to initiate conversations because conversations lead to clients. So we use what I call micro trigger posts, simple content designed to start a conversation. Let me give you a real life example though. Let's say that you're an HVAC company. Well, you post a short video that says something like this. As an HVAC tech, I'm not supposed to tell you this, but most AC problems don't need a full system replacement. For example, the company I used to work for would quote $8,000 replacements on units that just needed a $200 capacitor. Comment AC below and I'll send you our free AC diagnostic checklist. That's it. 1 video, 1 keyword, 1 automation. Someone comments AC, the system replies to their comment automatically, sends them a DM with the checklist, and it adds them to your CRM. Comment, DM, conversation, client. And the industry doesn't matter. This works for dentists and roofers and lawyers, anyone where trust beats ads. And here's the psychology behind why this works so well. When someone comments publicly, they're making what's called a micro commitment. They've said yes to something small, and once they've said yes once, they're more likely to say yes again. So small commitments lead to larger commitments. Plus, these posts don't take a lot of time to create. You can film 4 of these in under 10 minutes. Just post 1 a day, then watch the DMs roll in. Here's the double win. You use this to get your own clients. Then you sell it by saying, I'll create content that brings you leads. Part 2 is capture. Attract is there to get attention. Capture is there to, well, capture it. If you respond to a lead in under 5 minutes, you are 100 times more likely to connect with them than if you wait 30 minutes or more. But most businesses take hours, sometimes days. By then, the lead's already talked to 3 different competitors, probably signed with whoever answered first. So we build speed to lead. The moment someone reaches out through a form, a comment, a message, anything, the system fires automatically. There's an instant SMS, an instant email, there's an internal notification, so the lead hears from you in seconds. And this alone puts you ahead of 90% of businesses. But here's where it compounds. You use this so you never lose a lead to slow response. Then you sell it by saying something like, every lead gets a response in 60 seconds. Part 3 is convert. This is where most businesses bleed money without even realizing it. Most businesses miss 30 to 60% of their calls, sometimes more. That $3,000 job that called at 7 p.m. while you were at dinner, well, it went to voicemail, but they didn't leave one because people rarely do. You may have called them back the next day, but no answer, and they're gone. That was a customer, and you'll never know what that call was worth. So to fix this, we set up Voice AI. Now, instead of them getting voicemail, every call gets answered. Instead of chasing people back, appointments land on your calendar. Instead of guessing what you missed, you wake up to booked revenue. Then there's no-shows. The people who book appointments, they don't show up. Well, to fix that, we install a simple reminder system I call no-show prevention that sends a confirmation, 24-hour reminder, and then day of reminders. Altogether, this cuts no-shows nearly in half without you chasing anyone. And this is where things get really unfair. Because again, you use this so that you never miss a lead, even at 2 a.m. Then you sell it by saying something like, phone answered 24/7, calendar full, no-shows cut in half. Part 4 is multiply. This is the easiest money you'll ever make. Your past customers already know you and trust you, and they've paid you before. This is why a repeat customer is 5 to 25 times more valuable than a new one. And yet, most businesses completely ignore their past customer list. So we run a reactivation campaign. Simple message to people who already said yes once before. But let me give you an example of what this looks like. For a dentist, it might be, hey, it's been a while since your last cleaning. We've got a free teeth whitening session for patients who book this week. Want me to save you a spot? Let me give you another example. For an auto shop, could be, hey, noticed it's been 6 months since your last service. We're doing free wiper blade replacements this month for returning customers. Want us to save you a set? Both of these examples have the exact same structure. We're just using different bait. Either way, the AI handles the back and forth. And the math, well, it checks out fast. 500 past customers, if only 3% come back at $500 each, that's $7,500 in pure profit. No ads, no cold outreach, just one simple, fully automated campaign. Then there's reviews. Reviews compound everything. Trust, SEO, conversations. This is why we set up an automation that asks for a Google review after every completed job. Now, here's why this matters for you. You use this to generate revenue this week from people who already trust you. Then you sell it. Again, saying something like sales this week from your existing list or 20 new reviews in 30 days. So here's what you actually have. Attract, you post content that starts conversations, then you sell content creation. Capture, you respond in seconds, then you sell speed to lead. Convert, you answer every call and fill your calendar, you sell 24/7 answering and booking. Multiply, you reactivate past customers and generate reviews, you sell reactivation and reputation. I've installed versions of this for over 1,000 agencies and local businesses across HVAC and dental and legal and home services. It works the same every time. The beauty here is that you're not scrambling to figure out what to deliver. You're not building 2 separate businesses. You build one system that does both jobs at the same time. And that's exactly what we're building together in the Client Engine workshop. In part 1 of the workshop, we build attract and capture, micro trigger posts, comment to DM automation, speed to lead. In part 2, we build convert and multiply. This is voice AI, booking systems, no-show prevention, reactivation, and reviews. By the end of the workshop, you'll have the entire system built. Not theory, not slides, actually built and working in your account. And I'm also going to give you Agency OS, which is my complete snapshot with everything we build already loaded in. Just one click to import. This is the same system I've used across 3 separate 7-figure agencies. Here's the thing. Every month you wait, you're either scrambling for clients or scrambling to fulfill them. And that problem doesn't just magically fix itself. And if you're still doing this manually 6 months from now, you'll be competing against people who automated this while you were still figuring it out. Look, you probably know this already, but you don't need another idea. You don't need another course. What you need is just one system that works every single time. That's what we're building. 2 parts, 1 system, no more scrambling. The Client Engine workshop, links in the description. I'll see you inside.